Gloves, champion hoodie, North Faces, not just New York shit.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Got 'em all bitter. I'm a bill printer. I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again.
Yeah, welcome to another edition of TakeOver with Loshawnparks, man. Y'all could have been anywhere else in the world, but y'all here with me. And yeah, the camera is shaking and all of that. Don't get seasick, man. I'm holding the camera, man. Or I'm holding the phone, if you will. Not a camera phone. Anyway, man, I ain't gonna hold up too much of y'all time, man. This week, I am going to have a cool friend of mine take over my channel. Somewhat, all right? Not a full takeover, but when I speak about takeover is I'm going to be putting up some of his videos. He is a YouTube creator himself, and it's my dog Choice Mass. So he is over here with me at PMG doing big things and everything like that. And he is on the Stepdeck side, and he also has been doing Flatbed for 2.5, 3 years, I think. Somewhere around that area. 2 years, 2.5, 3. It don't matter, all right? A lot of his videos that he do goes unseen, in my opinion. I feel like his videos should have a lot more views on them, especially when it comes to securement and the creativity and editing skills that Choice has. Like, Choice editing skills on these videos, I take no credit for. I'm showing y'all his videos, how he did them. Like, I didn't do no editing to them. These are straight his style. And the whole thing of me doing this is that I would like for my subscribers to go and subscribe to Choice Mass, okay? Cool brother, good dude. I got a lot of respect for him. And his editing skills and his video production, the way that he does his videos on YouTube, trucking industry, is phenomenal, all right? So without further ado, Choice Mass is taking over my channel this week, man. So I'm going to do about 7 videos of his, dropping them once a day. And y'all let me know how y'all like it. Get in the comment section. Also, go subscribe to him. That's Choice Mass. That's CHOICEMAS. I want to make sure I can spell that right, all right? That's only one S on the Mas part, not 2, all right? Choice Mass, not Choice Mas. That's the slogan, all right? Hey, man, without further ado, let's go, Choice. It's on you. You got my channel for the week. Salute.
Gloves, champion hoodie, North Faces, not just New York shit popping in all places on a normal basis. That's how it's going down. Talk shit, get your ass hit, you better hold it down. Black gloves, champion hoodie, North Faces, not just New York shit popping in all places on a normal basis. That's how it's going down. Talk shit, get your ass hit, you better hold it down.